Today everyone, for today's video, we will going to solve loop current method. Find the current through the 10 resistor for the circuit. So this is our circuit. We have R1, which is 8 ohms, R2, 3 ohms, R3, which is 5 ohms, R4, 2 ohms, and R5 is equal to 10 ohms. And we have 15 volts. Since it is a loop current method, we need to divide this into 3 loops. And this is our loop number 1. So from our loop number 1, we can now solve V1 minus R1 times I1 minus I3 minus R2 quantity I1 minus I2 is equal to 0. So we will plug the given, since our V1 is 15 volts, our R1 is 8 ohms, quantity I1 minus I3, since our R2, which is 3 ohms, quantity I1 minus I2 is equal to 0. And then we will substitute the 8 ohms and the 3 ohms. So this gives us 15 volts minus 8 ohms I1 plus 8 ohms I3 minus 3 ohms I1 and then plus 3 ohms I2 is equal to 0. So combine like terms, 15 volts is equal to 11 ohms I1 minus 13 ohms I2 minus 8 ohms I3. This is our loop 1. Next is our loop 2. From our loop 2, we can solve using R2 quantity I2 minus I1 plus R3 quantity I2 minus I3 plus R4 I2. Since our R2 is 3 ohms and our R3 is 5 ohms and our R4 is 2 ohms, so we will substitute the given. So 3 ohms I2 minus 3 ohms I1 plus 5 ohms I2 and then minus 5 ohms I3 plus 2 ohms I2 is equal to 0. So combine like terms, I1 negative 3 ohms plus I2 which is 3 plus 5 plus 2 which is 10 ohms I2 minus 5 ohms I3 is equal to 0. This is our loop 2. Next, loop 3. So R1 quantity I3 minus I1 plus R3 quantity I3 minus I2 plus R5 I3. Next, plug in the values of the resistors. Our R1 is 8 ohms, our R3 is 5 ohms, our R5 is 10 ohms. Next is distribute the given. So 8 times I3, so 8 ohms I3 minus 8 ohms I1 plus 5 ohms I3 minus 5 ohms I2. Next, plus 10 ohms I3 is equal to 0. Next, combine like terms, negative 8 ohms I1 minus negative 5 ohms I2 and then this I3 8 plus 5 plus 10 which gives us 23 ohms I3 is equal to 0. Next, here we have our loop 1 to 3. Loop 1 which is 11 ohms I1 minus 3 ohms I2 plus 8 ohms I3 is equal to 15 volts. Next, I2, loop 2, negative 3 ohms I1 plus 10 ohms I2 minus 5 ohms I3 is equal to 0. Next loop 3 is negative 8 ohms I1 minus 5 ohms I2 plus 23 ohms I3 is equal to 0. Next, we will be solving the delta using matrix, and our delta, which gives us 1168, and our delta 3, which gives us 1425. And the formula for I3 is simply equal to delta 3 over delta, which is, our delta 3 is 1425 over 1168, and our I3 is simply 1.22 amps. And this is how to solve the loop current method. Thank you.